Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel, Nursing Made Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 1 Research and Research Process. Under Unit 1, the topic of today's interest is Need and Purpose of Nursing Research. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. Already in my previous videos, I have discussed the definition of research as well as nursing research. Once again, I will tell the definition of nursing research. Research is an attempt to gain solutions to problems. It is the collection of data in a rigorously controlled situation for the purpose of prediction or explanation. That is, you are getting results. You are collecting the data in order to analyze and find out the results. So, it is nothing but it is an attempt to gain solutions to the problems. That is, research problem. This definition was given by Trees and Trees in the year 1973. Moving on to definition of nursing research. Nursing research is a systematic inquiry designed to generate trustworthy evidence about issues of importance to the nursing profession, including nursing practice, education, administration, and nursing informatics. So here, what are the problems in the nursing profession, practice, education, administration and information, the issues that will be taken into concern in nursing research, and you will be studying and finding out the solution for those issues. This definition was given by Pollitt and Beck in the year 2004. Next, according to International Council of Nurses in the year 1986, nursing research is a way to identify new knowledge, thereby improving professional education and practices and use of resources effectively. Let's see the need and purposes of nursing research, or need or purposes of nursing research. To develop, refine and extend the scientific base of knowledge which is required for quality nursing care, education and administration. So first point is, you are developing new knowledge or you are refining the existing knowledge and you are extending the scientific base of knowledge which is required for providing quality nursing care. So whatever you are doing in nursing practice, it should have a scientific evidence to support, or it should have a rationale for your actions. So which is required for quality nursing care, nursing education as well as nursing administration. Next, to enhance the body of professional knowledge in nursing for continued professional growth. So if you are not doing research, day by day everything is changing. New things are coming, new diseases, new informatics are coming. So you have to do research and you have to update the theory or professional body of knowledge. Then only your profession will be enhancing its growth. Next, to provide foundation for evidence-based nursing practice. I already told the main purpose of research is to have evidence-based practice. Whatever you are practicing, it should have an evidence to support. Next, it enhances their professional identity, as research is an essential component of any profession. Suppose a profession, criteria for profession means it should have a strong body of knowledge, it should enhance research. So in first year itself you have learned what is the criteria for a profession. So in final year also you will be learning the criteria for profession. So in that one important point, it should provide way for further research. So it enhances the professional identity, dignity, whatever it may be. Next, it defines the parameters of nursing which will help the nurse to identify their professional boundaries. So we know what is our professional limitation, professional boundary, what is our parameter. Okay. Thereby we can enhance a safe nursing practice. Next, to refine, that is modify and eliminate old knowledge and invent new intervention and evaluate its effectiveness. So you are modifying it or you are refining it and you are eliminating old knowledge or old practices with the newer innovations in nursing practice. Next is enhance accuracy of different nursing educational and administrative techniques. So research not only focuses on practice, it also focuses on nursing education, nursing administration also. Next, to develop and refine nursing theories and principles. By doing more research, you can modify the old theories or you can find out the new theories. Next, to solve the problems or answers to the questions related to nursing practice, nursing education and administration. So already in definition itself I have told, according to the definition given by ICN, Pollitt and Beck. So this nursing research is mainly concerned with the issues related to nursing practice, education and nursing administration. So you are finding an answer to those issues or to those problems related to nursing. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.